All right, what up, y'all? This gonna be a just a quick little something. So, a lot of people always either asking where to find parts or where I got my lights from or where I got the spoiler or where they can find something just to kind of get started when they get an Impala, trying to find some stuff to go along with it and all of that. So, I'm we got the Facebook groups. It's just a couple of them. I'll link them in the bottom, but it's the 2006 to 2013 Impala page. It's the 14 and up Impala page. Worldwide Impalas, that's a page, and it's a few more that got made. So I put a link to a couple of them in the bottom. But those would be kind of like forum setups, so you can ask different people like how to handle certain situations and all of that. Or if something is common, if you got a weird sound in your car, what is it to fix it. But as far as actually finding parts, I'm working on a website for that where you can just go on, and if you just looking for some headlights, trying to get some different options, you get a full list of basically what all is available aftermarket wise. You can look at tail lights, you can look at the different grills, different spoilers, and I'm still working on it. Still got to add some more stuff in it, but it'll be called ImpalaMods.com. Just simple, straight to the point. So I put a link for that in here as well, and it's showing on the screen now, so you can kind of see how it is, what all is gonna be in it, and hopefully, if you're working on an Impala and you get to a point where you're thinking about changing some stuff up, it'll be easy for you to just get on into one spot and look at all the options that you have, and then it'll take you to links straight to different sources on eBay of people that's selling it, or different places you can find it. If it's not eBay, it might be linked to a different, like another site somewhere, but it'll be just one specific place where you can see all your options in one spot without having to bounce around from page to page. So that'll be going on, and hopefully it'll be helpful, and yeah, hope y'all find what you need on there. But it'll be impalamods.com, so if you get a chance or you're looking for something, check it out.